Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all might be fine. Yesterday we saw what in English? Capital alphabet. So today we are going to see which alphabet? Small alphabets. So come on, let's start with our first alphabet. First alphabet is small a. A for apple. Our next alphabet is small b. B for ball. You know how to write this alphabet? Yes or no? Yes. Our next alphabet is small c. C for cat. Our next alphabet is small d. D for dog. Our next alphabet is small e. E for egg. Our next alphabet is small f. F for fish. Our next alphabet is small g. G for goat. Our next alphabet is small h. H for horse. Yes, our next alphabet is small I. I for ice cream. Our next alphabet is small j. J for joker. Our next alphabet is small k. K for kite. Our next alphabet is small l. L for lion. Our next alphabet is small m. M for monkey. Our next alphabet is small n. N for nest. Our next alphabet is small o. O for orange. Our next alphabet is small p. P for parrot. Our next alphabet is small q. Q for queen. Our next alphabet is small r. R for rat. Yes, our next alphabet is small s. S for sun. Our next alphabet is small t. T for tap. Our next alphabet is small u. U for umbrella. Our next alphabet is small v. V for van. Our next alphabet is small w. W for watch. Our next alphabet is small x. X for x-ray. Our next alphabet is y. Y for yak. Our next alphabet is small z. Z for zebra. So you know these small letters, yes or no? Yes. So come on, again we will repeat this. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tap. U for umbrella. Yes. Next is V. V for van. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay, you understand these small alphabets? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay, so you write this in your notebook. Have you written capital alphabets? So you write the capital alphabets and small alphabets in your notebook. Okay.